Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Smartsheet workflows for team approvals, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Smartsheet account. Navigate to the sheet where you want to set up the workflow. Click on the Automation tab located in the toolbar at the top. Select Manage Workflows from the drop-down menu. Click on the plus Create Workflow button to start a new workflow. Choose the Approval Workflow option from the list provided. Set a name for your workflow that clearly indicates its purpose. Select the condition that will trigger the approval request. This could be when a specific column is updated or a new row is added. Next, specify the recipients of the approval request. You can choose individuals, groups, or even a larger team. In the next step, customize the approval request message. Ensure you provide clear instructions and context in your message. Decide what will happen if the request is approved or rejected. For instance, you might want to change the status or notify someone. After configuring the actions, review your entire workflow setup. Make sure all conditions, recipients, and messages are correctly set. When satisfied, click on the Save button to preserve your workflow. To enable the workflow, toggle the activation option to on. Test the workflow by simulating the trigger condition. Check if the approval request is sent as expected. Monitor any responses to ensure everything functions as designed. If adjustments are needed, return to the Manage Workflows section. You can edit or delete workflows from this area as necessary. Your team's approval process is now streamlined using Smartsheet workflows. Keep refining your workflows for maximum efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.